Coral reefs are the beating heart of our oceans. They support 25% of marine life, feed 1 billion people, and power local economies. But in the last 20 years, we've lost half of the world's reefs. By 2050, 90% could be gone. We're in a race against time, and current conservation efforts are too slow, expensive, and hard to scale. So together with McLaren Racing, we're speeding things up. Combining marine science breakthroughs with McLaren's engineering precision, we've developed a low-cost, automated system capable of producing tens of millions of corals each year. In 2023, we seeded 100,000 juvenile coral onto the Great Barrier Reef. By 2026, we will be doing that in a matter of days and millions per year. By 2040, we aim to scale global restoration by 120 times. Because when coral thrives, so does the reef and our future.